Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert a chart in Microsoft Word document. So click on this insert tab. Here click on chart. Here you will see a list of chart, line, pie, bar, area, map, stock, surface, radar and another one. So select it, then click on OK. So as we can see, now we have this chart. Here you can edit and customize as you need. Like this. Then close it once you complete. So very simple, basic and easy way to insert a chart, a graph in Microsoft Word document. Firstly, keep your cursor where you want to insert, then insert tab, then chart and select your desired chart. Then click on OK. Here you can customize, you can add and modify this chart. Here you can see the changes, what's happening here. Then close it. You can change the design, color and style here. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.